Hello everyone, welcome back to PMAT1100. The section we are covering today will be very easy and short. I think that actually there's nothing. I don't think that we have example to demonstrate for the concept we're doing today, because it's talking about estimation. So it's just about your own observation, and we're going to use some symbol we learned today to take a guess on of the value on the graph or on the chart. Okay, so let's get started. Section 2.5. Okay, estimation and comparison. All right. So as we know that if we have two quantity, and if one quantity is equal to another quantity, okay, then we have an equation, right? However, if one quantity is greater than or less than or different from the other quantity, or not equal from, then we have something called inequality. So all right, if one quantity, first quantity, okay, is not equal to the second quantity, I mean not equal to. Okay, if it equal, then we call it equation. Okay, if one quantity is not equal to a second quantity, then we have four different symbols that we can use. Then we will use this symbol. This is called less than, this is called greater than, and this is called less than or equal, and this is called greater than or equal. All right, sometimes less than or equal we call it at most. Okay, we call it at most. So this is mean at most. All right, and greater than or equal we call that at least. Okay, all right, for example, okay, so this is called inequality. All of this, every time we have want to compare one quantity that is greater than second quantity, this is called inequality. Okay, as long as you use this symbol, we call it inequality. Inequality. Okay, example, what if I have variable x that greater than 2? Okay, so this is inequality. So this is inequality. So I have the first the variable x over here can be changed. This is one of the quantity, and the second quantity is 2, and because this is variable can be changed, so there are many quantity for this. As long as it's greater than 2, it could be 2.1, 2.01, 3, 4, 5. So we have many opportunity, many alternative for value of x, for x, right? Because x is variable, it can be varied as long as it's greater than 2. So this is greater than, okay? Remember, this is greater than. this is less than. Okay, and this is greater than. So I can say this. I can say this expression is that x is greater than 2. Alright, as x is greater than 2. Okay. Or I can have something like this. Is equal to, what if I have x plus 4, and I put this symbol. Okay, this is also inequality, and this is the first quantity. Okay, x plus 4 is first quantity, and 2 is the second quantity. So I can say that x plus 4 is less than or equal to. I can say that like that. So this is inequality. Okay, we're gonna use this symbol to do estimation. Okay, it depends on the question, how they ask the question. Okay, how they ask the question, and you can use this symbol to represent what you mean. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. What if I have something like this? I think this is very short section. So my mother wants me to buy at least, okay, at least 5 apples. Okay, so this is a statement, and I want to translate it to mathematical statement. I want to translate it to mathematical inequality. Okay, so how we translate? Okay, at least 5 apples. So I can call, okay, answer okay, I want to translate it to mathematical expression. So let me call, at least is greater than equal. So let me call x represent the number, x represent the number of apple. Okay, so I can write like this. The answer will be x is at least, it means it could be greater than or equal. All right, see that? Very easy, right? Very easy. Sometimes they give you the graph, and you can read from the graph. Okay. So many way, many example, but all of them should be the same. Okay. Let me see. I can come up with another example or not. So this is at least. I already give you example for at least. Let's do something with at most. Let's see if they have it or not. Okay. Okay. Example 5. Example 4. I'm sorry. Okay. We can fit at most 12 people in that van. Okay. Okay, answer. So I want to translate this to mathematical expression. At most, so if I call n is the number of people, at least, it means at most, it means that it cannot be more than 12. Okay, so I can write like this: n is less than equal to 12. Okay, so you need to write this. What if on the test I have question like this? You make sure you need to write this so that I know what does it mean by n. Okay, n is number of people in this case. All right. Okay. Yep, I think that's it. I mean, the concept today is so short, very simple. Estimation, I mean, for estimation we can use this, but I mean, most of the time estimation is it's not a math process. You know, estimation is like your observation. You look at the graph and you estimate the value. You know, sometimes one student estimate a little bit different from the other student, then that's okay because just estimation. Okay, but the concept of comparison, it is like inequality, and I already given you a for example already. So I think that's all for section 2.5, very short. If you have any question, let me know. Okay, let me know. Next video will be continue our textbook with section 2.6. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.